Hello, everybody. Today's talk is about Ask Me Anything on the Odoo Community Association, known as OCA. My name is Julie Lebrun. I'm the content creator and training manager at the OCA. I present you Virginie.
Hello, my name is Virginie de Wulf, and I'm the OCA Executive Director since a few months.
Great. So a little bit of this is the pad for the questions. So it's Ask Me Anything, so we will go to the question very quick. So be sure to have your QR code, scan. Don't worry, after the little presentation, we will come back to it. So if you didn't have time or it didn't work, don't worry. Yep. So a little introduction.
Yeah, so this is actually a kind of follow-up session after two talks that we had yesterday at Odoo XP. So we had a talk about the history of the association from 2013 to today with our founder, Joël Grand-Guillaume. And we had also another talk about why OCA modules are like magic beans by Daniel Reis. And so if you had questions or you saw the talk yesterday and you had questions but they were not answered, it's also the opportunity for you to come and ask them now.
And be sure if you missed those talks, be sure to watch them on YouTube because it was really interesting.
Yeah, that's for sure. So just a bit of information about what is the OCA. So OCA is as you said, Odoo Community Association. It's actually a lot of different things. It's a community of consultants and developers and any people or users interested in Odoo and open source. So we have a lot of people producing some code and apps and modules that you can actually find on the Odoo App Store. It's known as really high quality. That's officially announced yesterday by Odoo at a security talk. Actually, they mentioned that if you want to install a third party's app, you just go with OCA and you will be sure it's fine. So that's a part of the thing that the community does, so producing super good quality code. We are also a community of people sharing knowledge. So we have some webinars, we have trainings. It's
support group.
Yes, support group for consultants. So it's all about sharing our knowledge and making sure that we all work together and we all serve our customers better. So there are a few opportunities for you to join the association. We will talk about become a member, become a sponsor, or become a contributor. So first, as a member, to become a member is quite easy. You go on our website and you just pay 60 euros a year. We are talking about having different prices in next year, depending on the region you are in the world. And so with this, you get access to exclusive webinars, to discount to OCA events and training. It's also a way for you to build credibility and recognition because we have a page on our website showing all our members. It's also the first step to shape the association strategy because as a paying member, you can become then a delegate and be elected as a delegate, and the delegate is the voting power of the association. And then from the delegate, we have an election of the board, the board is driving the strategy of the association. So membership is for individual people, and so we have also a way for companies to get involved. So we are always looking for sponsors. So if you want to share, you think that OCA modules are super cool, the community must continue to thrive. So when you are a sponsor, it will give you, of course, visibility and also credibility. You've seen that there are so many partners here present. It's getting harder and harder to get noticed, I think, on the market. And so OCA and it's known as really a super qualitative organization. I think that being part of this network is also a way for you to show your credibility. Other small things is that, of course, you can you are authorized to answer to requests for quotations, because we hire some professionals to do some stuff for the OCA, like training, like migration, like technical stuff. And so we only accept our members or sponsors to do so.
And you can, yeah, and you are part of a network of experts. That one I love. So how do you? You can also become a contributor. So what are the benefits of being a contributor? Is you can learn from the industry experts. You can have peer reviews on your code, so it helps you build a quality code. You can join the community, so people like you, having the same values. It will be a good way to be recognized in the community, in the open source community also. And it can reduce cost and time on your deployment and integration. So those are some of the benefits. There are a lot more, but those are the key ones. So we are coming back to the pads. It's your time to ask questions.
Yes, so we are waiting for the questions.
We are ready for the questions.
Okay. Thank you very much for this introduction, Julie and Virginie.
Thank you.
So we have some questions here. If I have a problem with an OCA module, or I want to extend it with more functionality, who should I contact for support?
Yeah, so we as I checked the support at odoocommunity.org email address, I get a lot of questions about that. And so the OCA itself doesn't provide, there is no employee providing support to people. Even a lot of people think that we are just producing code and paying people to do the production of the code and doing support. So it's really a matter of collaboration. So the first thing to do is to find who is the maintainer of, who are the project steering committees of the domain your module is about, and contact them on GitHub through issues. So our community works mainly on GitHub, and so you can create some issues there and explain your problem. And ideally, if you know how to fix the problem, you should also, in addition to the issue, provide the fix in a pull request. That's really appreciated by the community, because otherwise we are just feeling like we are working for free for random people in the world. So it's nice to give back as well.
Okay, thank you very much. I have a question. Does OCA plan to use AI for model migration? There was somebody that already answered that is an ongoing discussion, and on the mailing list. Do you want to add something about it?
Migration of the module, it requires a lot of energy, because there is one version each year. So, and we have 1,000 of modules. So it's true that AI could help us in a way, but we have to be really clear about what we need, what we will accept or what we won't accept, because we are seeing right now some people providing some stuff done by AI, and then a nice reviewer will tell, okay, there is something wrong with that, please change it, and then we see that the person just copy-paste that into ChatGPT and give us back the answer. So if we want to just use ChatGPT, we can do it ourselves. So we need to have clear guidelines about the way we will use LLM for that. But I'm sure it will come as everywhere in our society.
Thank you. Here is a question you already answered, but I've maybe some more if needed. What's the difference between OCA membership and sponsorship, and which one would be more appropriate for a small company with only 3 people?
I go?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So, okay. I would say that for a company of 3 people, I would say that start with the membership. So we have a lot of companies paying the individual membership for their team. And so just paying 3 membership for everyone is a nice way to start. But as membership are for individual, it means that if the person leaves the company, the membership will follow this person. But if you have a bit more money, like but not a bit. I mean, it's not so much 1,000 euros for 1 year of sponsorship in the Odoo ecosystem, because we see that there are billions going on in this world. And so I think that even for a company of 3 people, if your business is doing good and you use OCA modules, I think it's also a nice way to start contributing with a 1,000 sponsorship.
Okay, thank you. Do OCA models also work with Odoo Enterprise, or are they only intended for community?
Yes, they do. They do work with enterprise also.
Thank you. Are there any security audits on main modules?
Can you repeat that?
Yeah.
Any security audits? Audits.
Audits.
Sorry.
I don't know if we have specific security audit, but I think that when we have a review, we always make sure that security is there. And there is someone wanting to answer, but maybe Pedro, you can answer in the chat,
Yes.
that, because I cannot hear you actually. And
So we will come back to it.
Yeah.
If I don't want to fix my problem with an OCA model myself, can I pay someone to do it?
Well, for the moment, no, but we are working on a crowdfunding platform, so it will be ready in a few months. So yes, you could ask like the community to help you with this kind of issues or new needs, and someone with the community could say, oh yeah, okay, I can do it, and so you can have other people helping you fund it also. So yes.
Okay, nice. Can you remind where you're sitting in the hall so people can join you if they have any questions?
Yes, we are just here in the Hall 11, just in front of the catering. So there's an OCA zone. So we have our partners, we have sponsors, 3 other sponsors with us. So it's very easy to find us in front of the catering, in front of the drinks.
Certainly do. What benefits can OCA bring to a developer with only 3 months of starting work at Odoo?
Yeah, that's a good question. So for the newcomers in the Odoo ecosystem, OCA is a great way to learn, because it's where you will learn from the best, I would say. It's my personal point of view, but I think it's shared. It's quite shared in the ecosystem. So I think it's a great opportunity to come and join, but you have to have a specific mindset when you join the community, I would say. As a newbie, you have to be like maybe humble, and you are there. You have to be there to learn from the others. So I think it's something to have in mind, and because we are trying to have a collaboration context, and so yeah, I think
and we have some webinars and training for newcomers also, so to help them. So that's great.
Okay, nice. I don't see any more questions. Please feel free to ask some. It's the moment. So we will wait 1-2 minutes.
Yes,
but if you
sure.
wanna tell something more, feel free.
Yeah, maybe a bit more about the OCA zone. So we are discussing with Odoo, with the person organizing all the Odoo experience, to get a zone dedicated to the OCA, because we have a lot of sponsors spread into the event. But what we want to show is that we are a network of strong partners, of strong companies, and so I hope that next year we will have a full row of OCA zone, bigger than the catering zone. Would be nice.
Yes.
I think we can make it happen, because we already have like 10 or 12 sponsors here right now. So showing the strength of the community physically, I think it could be impactful.
Great.
Okay, nice. Someone wants more information about the trainings, how much it costs, how many are there, and
the kind of topics maybe. Yeah.
Yes. I cannot answer like how many are there, because it's always changing. But you can find all the trainings on the website, on the event page. So you can see all the trainings that are offered for the moment, so for the next month. And the cost will change because some trainings are 3 hours and others will be like 2 full days during 2 weeks, like half days, 2 times a week. So sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's shorter training. So it depends on the length of the training for the cost.
And maybe a few examples of the training we have.
Yes, we have a whole training in October, so on the framework all, and we have run boat training. It's like the run bot, but the run boat is our OCA version. So it helps you test the modules from the PR or from the repository. We have so you can learn how to install it in your organization, so you can use these OCA tools in your organization. We have an Open Upgrade training. Open Upgrade is the OCA tool for the migrations. So the open source version of the migration for Odoo. So we have a training on that too, to help you start with it and get experience, get help from someone with experience on it. And we will have also how to get better customer projects thanks to OCA. So it's a functional training. And we will have a Miss Builder training. Miss Builder is an OCA module based on, not based, but to help you build your custom reports, financial and other reports. So it's really, really interesting because you can do a lot of things with these modules. But there's a training, a full training to help you build your own reports.
Yeah. I took it on Monday. Actually, it's really good. Yeah.
And about the pricing, did you?
No, it changes.
It depends on the training.
It depends on the training and the number of hours.
Okay,
Yes.
Yeah,
so
but
that is
It's
really
around like for 3 hours. It's for the members it's 400 euros, and for the non-members it's
per person. It's
what?
always per person.
Per person.
Yes,
Yeah.
per person. Yes.
Okay. What's your 5-year plan?
Oh yeah.
What's your what?
5-year plan.
Yeah. So yeah, it's hard to see
Your
the
vision
future,
for-
but we have been working on a strategic plan this year with the board and with other active members of the community, and we are focusing on growing the community, but we want to grow the community in a way that is always in line with our core values, which is open source and collaboration. That's really something we have strong believers on open source in the community. We want to preserve that by all means, because it's what makes us unique in the Odoo ecosystem. But we also see that Odoo is becoming bigger and bigger, and for newcomers coming to the Odoo ecosystem, they don't really know about OCA except that it's free app on the App Store.
Yeah.
And so we have a plan also to improve the communication about actually what we are doing right now. It's part of this plan is
Yes.
to make sure that people understand that
Visibility.
yeah,
Yes.
exactly, visibility and showing the value, because we are bringing really a lot of value into the ecosystem, and sometimes we are a bit shy about it, like yes, we provide free modules, please say thank you and that's it. But actually I think we deserve to have a better visibility and place in the ecosystem.
Okay, nice. The accounting in Odoo OCA model is not great. Will you improve it, the reporting especially? Someone can help you with it.
Great. But actually, I'm also an accountant on the side, so I use Enterprise Edition as well as Community Edition plus OCA module in the Belgian localization, and I can do all my accounting with OCA. But that's true that the gap is becoming bigger and bigger as there are so many people working on the accounting in Odoo Enterprise. But I think that the community has other strength. And for me, for example, MIS Builder, we talked
Yes.
about it. It's really, really powerful, and it's not available in the enterprise edition on SaaS. And for me, for my customers where I do accounting, I really miss Builder each time I do accounting on enterprise edition. But by all means, if you have ideas and want to bring contributions on
Yes.
accounting, come and join us. And by the way, we had 2 webinars about accounting plus with OCA modules during the summer, and it's we record the webinars and you can view them again as a member. So
Okay,
if you're interested,
very nice.
yeah.
Do you have many old people coming from SAP or Microsoft world joining at the moment?
We have some of them, but I don't see a massive impact, a massive entrance or coming from those people. I don't know.
Okay. There was a question between for the difference between Open Upgrade and Odoo Upgrade, but it already has been answered.
Okay.
So Open Upgrade lets you migrate your project yourself, for instance, for community project.
Yeah.
Do you want to add something?
But because last year I think Odoo released Odoo Upgrade, something called like that, which is, I think, I'm not a technical person, but more libraries or small tools that they use in the enterprise migration tools. So I think that there are a bit of overlap with what we've done in Open Upgrade, but it's not totally the same. And I would say that Open Upgrade does more than that, because obviously you can see what it does. And so, yeah, that's it.
For now, it's the end of the questions.
All right.
If
How much time? Oh, we have 2 minutes left.
2 minutes
We have 2
left,
minutes
so
left.
take the time. It's it's the moment.
Yeah.
We'll see if above there is nothing, but no, I think there is.
Oh,
There
maybe the security question
Yes.
was answered. I don't know
Yeah.
if you can find the answer.
Wait.
Yes, it's a long file.
Yeah. Then. Yes. So the question was: are there any security audits on main modules? So the answer is the automated check done on each contributed includes some security check among other quality guidelines.
Okay.
So
Great. Thank
Great.
you for the
Thank
answer.
you, Pedro.
Excellent.
perfect. I think you answer all the questions that everybody had. So thank you, Virginie and Julie, for this presentation.
Thank
and
you for the questions.
have a nice day.
Yeah. Thank you.
Voilà.